Salut et bonjour. Hello and good day. Je m'appelle Arpita Garg. My name is Arpita Garg et bienvenue à Gateway to French and welcome to Gateway to French. In this video, we are going to learn about the adjectives or we can say synonyms and antonyms of adjectives. Okay, so these are the synonyms and antonyms part 1. So here we'll use those adjectives which are used for describing a person or we can say décrire une personne. Okay, so let us begin. So as you can see, if there are two persons, one is tall and the other is short. Okay, so what do we say in French? We say grand, then petit. Listen again, grand, petit. Grand means tall and petit means short. Okay, grand comes from the English word grand, right? So in English we have grand, in French we have grand. Grand, petit. Okay, now this is for the masculine. If there are two females, out of which one is tall and the other is short, so what do we say then? We call them grand, petite. Listen the pronunciation and the spelling very carefully. Okay, we have grand, petit for masculine, tall and short respectively. Then we have grande, petite for female or feminine, tall and short respectively. Okay, so we'll just revise or repeat. Grand, petit, grande, petite means tall, short respectively. Okay, moving on to the next adjective, we have, as we can see, there are two persons. One is fat and the other is thin. So fat and thin are in English, right? So in French, we will have gros, mince. Listen again, gros, mince. Okay, and if we have two females, out of which one is fat and the other is thin, as we can see in the picture, then we have gross and mince. So as you can see, the words for both the males and females for the thin one is the same. It is mince, M-I-N-C-E. But the spellings of the male ones differ. Okay. So we have gross, mince, gross, mince, which means fat, thin, respectively. Okay. Now moving on, we have two persons. One is old and the other is young, as we can see. So we have jeune. Jeune means for the young one. We have jeune, male. Okay. And female we have vieux, ou vieux. Okay. The spellings are different. Ou, O-U, means or in French. Right. So we have vieux, V-I-E-U-X, or V-I-E-I-L, beer. The pronunciations are same and the meanings are same, just the spelling is different. Okay, so it means young and old. Jeune means young and vieux or vieux means old, respectively. Then we have two females, one is young and the other one is old. So we have jeune, again the same, J-E-U-N-E, jeune, and vieille, V-I-E-L-L-E, vieille. Okay. So we have jeune, vieux means young, old for masculine, and we have jeune, vieille for feminine, young, old respectively. Moving on, we have two girls, as we can see. One is very beautiful and the other is not beautiful, or we can say ugly. Okay, so we have belle, spelling B-E-L-L-E, belle. Okay, and pas belle. Pas basically means negation, right? Not beautiful. Okay. Belle, pas belle. Similarly, if we have two males or boys, out of which one is ugly and the other is not. Now, in case of males, we do not so beautiful, right? We say handsome. So for handsome, we have beau, B-E-A-U, beau. And for not handsome, we will have pas beau. Okay. So we have belle, pas belle. Beau, pas beau means beautiful, not beautiful, handsome, not handsome, respectively. Okay. Moving on to the next, we have, as we can see, there are two boys. One is very strong and the other is weak, right? So for strong, we have fort, F-O-R-T. The T will not be pronounced, fort. And for weak, we have faible, F-A-I-B-L-E. Similarly, there are two girls, as we can see. So the strong one will be known as fort, F-O-R-T-E. As you can see, just a difference of E, right, from the male one. And the female will be faible, again the same. Okay, so we have fourth means strong for male and female respectively, and faible, common one for both male and female, weak respectively. Okay, so now we'll just revise what are the adjectives or what are the synonyms and antonyms that we learned today, which are used for describing a person in French. So let us begin. The first one we have is grand, means keep on repeating the pronunciations after me. We have grand. As you can see, the Hindi pronunciation is also written. Tall, grand means tall for male and female respectively. And petite for female, short, male and female respectively. Then we have grow. Then we have gross for fat, males and female respectively. Then we have mass for female and female, thin respectively. Then we have jeune for young, male and female respectively, same word. Then we have beer, VIE, very good, for male and female, old respectively. Then we have belle for handsome / beautiful, that is male and female respectively. Then we have belle for not handsome, not beautiful, male and female respectively. Last one we studied fort for strong, male and female respectively. And the next, its antonym is faible for male and female respectively. Faible means weak. So as you can see, there are some common words which are same for both the males and females, while at the same time, there are some words which just differ by E, like fort, very good. Then we have grand, okay, petite, okay. So these were the adjectives. So thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do tell me in the comment section. For online French tuitions, you can mail us on the mail ID which is visible on your screen. Stay tuned to our channel Gateway to French for more such upcoming videos. Soon I'll be making a part 2 of this video and we'll come across more synonyms and antonyms. Okay, stay tuned to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. À bientôt.